Hi, this video is about how to navigate in the Excel spreadsheet. You can definitely use the mouse and navigate in the Excel by using this scroll bar. But there are many shortcuts that you can use to go to make your work very efficient. For example, let's say I am here, and if I want to go to the uh, if I press the home key here, it take me right to the first cell of that particular column. So that's the way you can use the home key. Now let's say you're at the any like 10,000 line here, and if you want to go to the first cell, instead of scrolling all the way up, you can just press the Control Home key, and it take you right to the first cell. So that's how you can use this Home and Control Home keys. Another keys are the arrow keys. For example, you can navigate using the arrow keys. You can go down by using the down arrow key, go right using the right arrow key, and going up using the up arrow keys, and going the left arrow key to go left. So these are the arrow keys I use. Sometimes there are bunch of data and you want to go to end of line, and let's say there are like 30,000 line. Instead of scrolling down all the way, you can use the control and go the down. It take you right there to the last end of the line, and then you can use the right arrow key to go to that any particular cell here and go up. It take you right to the first cell. So let's say like you're like 30-40,000 line on this kind of shortcut that will help us to make our work more efficiently. Another arrow keys that you can use, I mean other keys that you can use are like page up and page down. So if you want to scroll down one page down, you can just press the page down key, and then you can go by screen. Similarly, if you want to go up, you can use the page up key. Now if you want to go to the right of the screen, you can use the alt and page up and down key. So I am holding the alt key and then going page down, and then I can shift on the right side. Again, I am pressing the page down here, and I can shift another screen. Similarly, I can keep holding the alt page up, and that's how you can navigate horizontally. uh, Now there are like, as you can see here, there are like few tabs that I use here. You can navigate in the tabs using the control page up and page down key. So I'm holding the page control key, and so before I just to show you like how those keys are and where they are located. So home key, page up, page down, and these are the arrow keys that I'm using right now, control and shift keys. So back to here, to navigating in the tab, I am here in the order tab here. Now I press the control key, and then I use the page down, and then I can go to the next tab, and or I can go to page up, and as you can see I am navigating in the different tabs. So that's how you can use the page up and page down key with the combination of alter and control. Now let's say you're 30,000 line, and if you want you're in any particular cell, you can go to the first cell by using the home key, as I mentioned earlier, control home key. But let's say you want to go to end of the cell, so you can use the control and then end key, and it take you to the right of end of the data block. In it goes here instead of here because there are like some data I'm using here as well, so that's why it is going end of that particular cell. So you can use the control end key. If you want to highlight your current location, you can use a control backspace, and then you can highlight that particular column here. Another way you can use is a name box. So let's say I am here at the cell number here, and I want to go to particular cell, column G in line number 67, and then I can just press enter, and I can go directly to that particular cell here. So that's the way you can use the name box to go to any particular cell. Another way is a scroll bar, right? So that's the simple. You can just scroll and then go to particular cell. Um, there is another key F5 that you can use. So when you press the F5, and then it will pop up this window, and then you can go to. So here I can type the cell number, let's say G45, and it take me to that particular cell. uh, go to cell you can use using the find and select as well. So when you go and find and select, here there is a go to button, and then when you click on it, it will open the same window. Sometime you have to deal with other people's work, and you don't know where they use all the formulas and those kind of information. So at that time this window can help, go to window can help you as well. You select on the spatial, and then you can select the formula, and then you say okay, click OK, and it will highlight the places where the formulas are used in this particular data. So here formulas are used in the total, and here if I click here I can see that formula use of F2 times E2. So it is basically multiplication of these two cells. So these are the couple of the shortcut that can help you. This is the all the shortcut, I mean major of them that are most useful. So they are listed here. It's kind of too much work to go each one by one, but I show a couple of the main that use. Uh, Other ones I use are like this one, other that are very useful. So for example, I want to select all this data. I just say okay, copy, or just say the Control C here. So Control C, it select all the data, and I can, if I want to copy, I just put the Control V. So that's how you can use the Control C and Control V here. uh, then sometime you want to save the file during periodically, so you can just say Control S. I just press Control S, and it will save all the data that any modification that you have made to your spreadsheet. If you want to open the new file, you just press the Control N, and will open the new file. So these are the common shortcut that I use, and make our work very efficient in the Excel. Hopefully this help you. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.